What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all see I'm doing the intro, man, on the move. I'm headed to my little bro house. Y'all see the thumbnail anyway, man. I'm headed to go pull up on him. Cause man, my little bro said he had some old heads I can have, man. I said, yeah, I'm gonna pull up there and get them. But well, we've been talked about and stuff, so I'm headed up there anyway, man. I'm gonna chill and stuff too anyway. Just see what he got going on. And that's the plan for today. So right now I'm in traffic, headed up there, on and off, man. This junk here, boy, hate sitting in traffic. But anyway, we get there, man. I'm gonna turn y'all on, and I'm gonna see. We're gonna see what Steve got going on, man. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all checking in, man. I see I pulled up on my little bro Steve. Pulled up, holler at him, man. He finna show me how this CNC work, man. It's crazy. I've been wanting to see this thing in person ever since he got it. Y'all check this out.
I just got another minute.
Huh?
Like another minute.
Look, y'all check this out. He gonna be crazy, boy. I want to see this. I guess I'll let y'all see it too. Yes, indeed, man. He be over here working. Y'all make sure y'all go follow him too. Subscribe, Steve Davis. On YouTube, most of y'all already follow and subscribe. But if you don't, you some of my new fam, y'all go subscribe. Let's see, man. See this. Oh boy. Boy, this thing's like a jet finna take off. Oh, this go. Here we go. He said, look, that's it. Oh man, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm talking about this thing going to work, man. It's going to work, y'all. Can't beat it. You cannot beat it, man. Oh, you can speed it up. That's crazy, man. This saves you so much time, y'all. Like, oh, yeah. There, y'all. Yeah, that's fire. That's fire right there. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, y'all. Look, man. I was just talking to little bro. Cause y'all, I mean, I'm pretty sure some of y'all already done used it seriously, but hey man, y'all got to understand why you had to toy what you toy, cause that man just said $300 right here. Now I know wood high, but I don't buy wood and stuff, but God, well, hey, $300. Hey, you got the toy, man.
I ain't got it in my pocket.
You got the toy. Hey man, you got the toy, but in there, look at this, $300 now.
Now, this for my personal part, right? I'm making this, including my utilities, paying myself, nails, glue, a bunch of little stuff. So I got the price of vinyl, the 2 different woods, 3 different sheets of wood, the file, excluding machine time, a vinyl carpet, some glass. It came out to like $510, just materials, just for myself to make a box. They're like, damn, what you mean $1,200? Like,
yeah, man, y'all gotta understand. And then you got to pay the person for their time,
you
man.
gotta get it, fuel, insurance for my truck, all
Yep,
that.
you ain't adding none of
the
that.
trailer, the
Man,
maintenance for both of them.
you
But
got
they
to
be
pay.
acting like I'm over-exaggerating.
Hey man, listen, you got to pay. I'm not still recording. You got to pay for services, man. Like I said, I like showing people stuff like this, cause you don't be knowing on the other side of the fence what a person had to go through.
Not to mention the price of all that.
Yeah, oh yeah, boy. Hey, we ain't gonna get into that over there. We ain't getting into that. That's a whole nother ball game, man. But
They were saying, why you gonna finish your car? Like, if I wanted my car to be done, I could have paid. Ain't no fun in letting somebody else finish my car.
exactly, man. I'll tell you, go to work, man. You go to work. But, hey, y'all here getting it in. Y'all hear the CNC over there working, man. I love that. That right there. I just sit right there and watch that, man. It's just fascinating seeing it in person and stuff, man. I'll sit right there. I'll sit and chill down and watch that, man. They're crazy. So
You can go all day.
y'all seen that already working on. So y'all just stay.
They recommend turning it off 8 hours, letting it run 8 hours straight and taking a break.
Oh yeah?
Like, see, that's the whole day.
Shoot, it is. That's a work day.
One person can't keep up with that. So.
Nah, not at all. Look, let me go ahead. Let me, y'all check it. See how far it done got. That thing working, man. Look at it. That thing ain't working, man. That's great. All right, man. I made it. Made it back home. Got the Vortex. Shout out to my little bro Steve, man. Had to take the little accessory stems off and stuff, all that. I just got finished doing that. So I'm gonna take them and have them put in the vat at the machine shop and clean and all of that good stuff. I need to turn y'all around. I turn the camera around. But I'm gonna have them clean and all that good stuff, man. And then I got some plans for those jokers right there, boy. Cause you can make some stuff happen with some Vortex, boy. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you're about to know and put you on some game when the time comes. But that ain't nothing happening right now. But I am gonna go ahead and put them in the machine shop. But that's for a future date and all of that. Hold on. But I'm finna flip the camera and call. I'm on my phone right now, man. I'm flip this around and talk to y'all. All right, but like I was saying, man, I made it back. It was a good little trip, good day, man. Chilling with little bro. I chilled out there for a little bit and hit the road. I was gonna drive R&B, man, but I was like, nah, I ain't driving R&B. I just had gassed up 3 cars from the other vlog y'all seen. I gassed up Dolo. I gassed up R&B and it was empty. And then I gassed up Brown Coat. And y'all know all 3 don't take 93, so I was like, man, I ain't doing that again today, man. R&B would have burned the whole tank of gas up and back. Like, they'll burn a lot of gas, man. But, like I said, man, I know y'all be tuned in to Lil Bro and stuff too. A lot of y'all subscribed over there. And then y'all be wondering what he got going on, cause he don't post every day. He been posting more frequently though. He been on it a little more, so. But you know, that we got going on. Y'all see he working, all of that good stuff. The plan I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all right now. Man, with Black Haven, y'all been seeing me crack them jokes and all that, but I'm gonna be real with y'all. I'm gonna sell Black Haven. I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell it, man. I'm gonna sell it. Hey, man, I have no connection or desire. When I got it, I'm gonna tell y'all. I'm gonna tell y'all why in another video. Probably I ain't gonna get deep into it, but I'm gonna sell it, man. I'm gonna sell it. So I'm flying around here, boy. Y'all gonna see the show. Y'all know y'all gonna see the show. Anyway, what I was saying, I'm gonna sell it. Cause I just ain't got that. Now I'm going to tell y'all why I'm selling it, man. I'll do another vlog cause everybody will never listen and make it to the end. There it is. Oh, we gotta come up out of here. I don't know what it is. It's big, boy. We gotta come up out of here. Let me get the Lord up. We got to. They better find their way home, cause we gonna fight. If they don't find their way home, we gonna fight. But there it is. Let's see. It went out. It went out. It better. It better, cause boy, I'm gonna. Hey, boy, I'm gonna. All right, make sure it don't come back in. But now the reason I'm gonna sell it. The reason I'm gonna sell it, man, cause I ain't got the energy to fool with it right now. I don't have the energy. I know that thing went. I don't have the energy to fool with it, man. What you mean, Jay? Think about what I done did this year. A lot of people pay attention, but they don't really pay attention to how fast I be doing this stuff, man. And what I be doing. A lot of people don't really pay attention. So if you don't pay attention, then you really have no idea on the level of money that be spent and the amount of time and effort that be put into these cars, man. And to bring people videos that they enjoy, that I enjoy making too. I'm not making videos that just y'all enjoy. I'm just keep it real. Some people say you're supposed to, but if I don't enjoy it, then I ain't doing it. That's just how I work, man. Even with anything in life, if I don't enjoy it, I ain't doing it. It's over with. It ain't nothing to think about. It ain't nothing to talk about. When I start enjoying doing something, that's when I start doing it. But, and I'm not doing nothing I don't enjoy. So if y'all see the content, it's just know it real. Cause I'm not gonna make something just because it'll get a lot of views. I'm not gonna make something just because it'll make a lot of money. I know how to do that, but if I don't enjoy it, if I put it up, that means I enjoy doing it. But I ain't got the energy. I know what I plan on doing with that car, but I ain't got the energy to do it, man. I done dumped the check in Dolo again. I redid Dolo. I really redid it. Y'all don't know the whole full story, but I really redid it. And then I redid meats. I done meats 2 times within 3 months or 2 months, 2 times. So it's like what I want to do with Black Haven to get Black Haven up to par. I ain't got the energy, man. I just don't wanna do it. So I'm gonna sell it, man. It's a good, but see, for somebody that wants a good car, that's just a good running driving car, it's good for that. So it's a good base for somebody. Cause to be completely honest with y'all, what I was gonna do, my plan ain't gonna happen now, cause the car gone. Cause see, I be making moves and I already have intentions and plans. Y'all just don't know it. So then when I pop up and say something like this, y'all lose your mind, dog. So it's not all of y'all, some people understand. They be like, oh no, man, you just I'm like, I bought that car to put the motor out of John Jones in, because it was already set up on the LA platform. I ain't have to put the mounts and all that stuff in. It was already set up. So John Jones was taking a long time to sell, and I bought the car because I'm like, it's a good running car. It's a nice base, it's a nice car. And I was gonna transfer the turbo setup, transmission, everything over in that car. and I was gonna take the other engine and stick it over in John Jones because I had no intentions of using it. I said this is a nice, good running engine. I was gonna stick it over in John Jones, motor and transmission, overdrive, sell it as a good running Camaro. But I was gonna take John Jones turbo setup and stick it over in Black Haven. But somebody cashed out and got serious about John Jones and bought it, so you know they kind of scrapped everything, and that's why I'm saying I don't have the energy to be trying to do another full build. People be talking that built not bought, man. They ain't doing 2-3 cars at a time, man. Or they might be just turning wrenches themselves, but you know I'm turning wrenches and dropping big money on this stuff and doing it quick. And I'm like, man, I ain't not right now. I'm not doing a whole another full build, man. I ain't trying to let it sit. I get something that's 60-70% done, and I can do a little something, sprinkle my little powder on there. But to get that car to go do what I was going to do, man, I had to go in the whole engine. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. I know I said you can do top end stuff, but to get that car to do what I was about to do, shit, you gotta go in there in the car. Y'all, I think people forget John Jones was not a junkyard stock by the man engine. That wasn't it, man. It had camshaft in it and everything. It was just wasn't loping like that because of the profile. It had a super wide load separation because it was all built for turbo, for boost. So, but the engine was not a stock bottom end build. One of them, it had a lot of stuff to it, man. And to get a Black Haven like that, man, I'm like, man, I ain't doing that. I ain't doing another full build this year. Now, I might buy another car after that one go and then do it, but I ain't doing another full build. And people asking how much, man. 10.5. 10.5, that's the price. Ain't gotta hide nothing, that's the price, man. 10.5. If I know you BCG, man, I might give a little room, but it ain't gonna be a whole lot. I might give you a little something, show you a little. But 10.5, man, it's a title, everything. At the time you looking at this, you probably already posted on my Facebook and stuff, so y'all on there, y'all probably already saw it. And but that's why. So y'all getting 2 videos in one, man. That's why. I just ain't got the energy, man, to do it. I ain't doing another full build this year. And I got my timeline of what I'm going to do to finish out the year. I already got it scheduled. I still got stuff to do the brown coat to finish it up. Still got stuff to do the R&B to finish it up. And we still got to go to dyno and all this stuff. Dolo just came back. It's fresh. It's fresh all over. So I got a lot of stuff to do with Dolo. Run it and dial it in. Then meat's coming back. I got a full year. I ain't got to build nothing. I ain't building nothing. I got a full year already, so. But that's a great running car. It's a great running car, daily driver, man. I just, it ain't like slow. I just be doing it to be funny, man, entertaining and stuff. But compared to what I'm used to, it's slow. That's all I'm saying. But for somebody just getting their feet wet, man, want a nice LS swap car, or fuel injected, Holly system on and stuff, posi rear end, and all of that. It's great for that. You know what I'm saying? 4L80, it's a good car. You can take where you want it to go. And once again, somebody to buy, I would love for somebody to be one of the BCG fam, get it, or somebody that supports either JMalcom 2004, which is my brand, support me. I love somebody to get it, like my guy over in Mississippi, the guy John Jones. He watches all my racing videos. So 10.5, you can get Black Haven, man. I'll do an official video. Y'all know I had it tuned already, man. All that been good. It been tuned. So, you know, been on dyno and everything too. But I do an official video. But y'all that made it to the end and can watch like sensible people, y'all gonna know what's going on. And that's it, man. But like I said, good day all in all. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.